This seat is so annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. And in this video, I found my first issue with my Tesla, and it is absolutely frustrating and annoying. So without further ado, let's get started with the video right now. So as you guys can clearly hear, I'm driving my Tesla, and it's been like this for a little while, but now I can't take it anymore. And it's literally an issue with the driver's seat, where the cushion is kind of it's the seat where it's making noise. So I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what the issue is and how we're going to fix it. All right, guys. So I went back to the garage. We pulled over, and excuse the dirtiness, but I realized what the noise is coming from. And silly enough, it's coming from right here. Hear that? Every time I sit my seat, I put pressure on here, you hear that squeak. So I have a little remedy for that I'm going to show you. It's very quick. It's a common issue for these Teslas. The passenger side, not so much, but once you put pressure on these bolsters, like here and here, this will tend to push and get flattened. Once it does, it starts to rub the center console. So, and since this car is so quiet, I don't really think of anything in terms of that. So, I mean, I don't really think anything like, oh, well, I can just ignore it because an engine sound or music will drown it out. When I tell you this thing gets annoying after like 20 minutes of driving, it gets annoying. So I'm going to actually come up with a quick way of fixing this, and it's going to cost you guys less than like maybe $10. So I'm going to show you what I got. So the only thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors and this. This is actually, it is adhesive on the back, but it's kind of like a felt on the other part. So most people either put this on the console itself or the seat. I'm gonna put it on the console because I don't want the adhesive to rip the leather after I take it off or if it starts to peel. You can get this on Amazon. I got it on Amazon. I believe it was only like $6 for 2 rolls. I'm never gonna need this much, but if there's other noises that are going on in the cabin, I can go ahead and get some more of this stuff, cut a piece and put it in the area that's making noise or rattling or anything else. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and we should have no noise after this is done, hopefully, please, because this noise is terrible. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to move this seat away. I'm sure you can hear that. I'm going to move it all the way down. So like I said, it's just really rubbing on this part right here. So I'm going to put a couple of strips on top of each other going down, 1, 2, maybe 3 levels of, maybe 3 of these strips, maybe 2 actually, and then just test the seat and see if it stops the noise. The other side's not doing it, but just to be uniform, because most people don't sit in my passenger seat, but just for being uniform, I'm most likely going to put a piece, the same amount of strips on the other side, so if that seat does the same thing as the driver's seat, I won't have that issue. All right, guys, obviously I wasn't just going to bore you with cutting a piece of felt tape and sticking it on here, but this is where I put it. So this is where the seat is rubbing. Let's see if this solves our problem. I'm going to let the seat up now. Hopefully this fixes our problem. Okay, so it's definitely quieter, but I still somewhat hear it. So it looks like it's rubbing on here as well. Now, this is the same vinyl material that the seat is made out of, the vegan leather. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna actually have to put a little bit on the bottom of the seat here where it contacts this, a strip there, so it doesn't make that noise anymore. All right, guys, what I ended up having to do after I put these two strips here, I noticed that it was still slightly squeaking and it was rubbing against here. So I put one more strip right against here. And then now, you don't hear it at all. Perfect. That's it, guys. We are done. So right now, I have no issues with the passenger side, but I'm gonna do it on the other side just to make everything look uniform. And if it does happen again, if that seat does the same thing that the driver's seat did, then I know it won't squeak because I already put the felt where it needed to be. But guys, it's gonna conclude this video. It is a very common issue on Model 3s. I hope that this does help for anyone who has this issue. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.